the new Larson Electronics manufacturing warehouse. It's our new 50,000 square foot climate controlled multi-purpose warehouse. It's under construction for the 5th month in right now, and I'm going to give you a little guided tour through it of what's going on. Currently we're under construction with the outside part of the concrete work going on around the whole building. We've got 2 37-foot loading docks over here for easy access in and out of the building with our new megatowers and other products and materials to be able to go in and out of the building at easy access. We're getting the building spray insulated foam. We have 2-inch closed cell on the walls and 5 to 6 inches up on the top with open cell. That's going to help our climate control tremendously in this building. To my right here, we will have a 50 by 50 raised mezzanine area, 50 by 50 foot raised area with multiple offices and cubicle space upstairs for managers and engineers. There will be offices located downstairs, break rooms, bathroom, 2 bathrooms, 2 rolling work bays right here for building megatowers. So we have multiple welding stations that will be set up right here for Larson manufacturing welders. QC office will be right here for quality control of all materials being fabbed, machined, welded, everything as it's being done. A wide variety of all the most up-to-date machines for manufacturing and fabrication. And we'll also have a large overhead crane that runs the full length of the building to help with the production of our product. So in addition to the building, we have this ginormous awning that is going to house materials, racking, and this is the privacy fence that we've got started that will go around the whole property once it's complete. And just so everybody knows, this is just a touch on a very tip of the head of what's coming. It's going to be good.
Please like, subscribe, and share. Check out our complete selection at Larson Electronics, American made and manufactured. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.